In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear your browsing history in Google Chrome. This is an essential skill that not only helps maintain your privacy, but can also resolve functionality issues with certain websites, such as Udemy, by removing stored data that might be causing problems. Let's dive in and take a straightforward approach to clearing your browsing data in just a couple of easy steps. First things first, we need to access your Google Chrome history. To do this, open your Chrome browser. Once you're there, head over to the top right corner of the window. You'll see three vertical dots, which is the menu icon. Go ahead and click on this menu icon, which will pull down a list of options. In this list, you'll find History. Hover your mouse over it to reveal a side menu, then click History again in this side menu. This will lead you to a page displaying a comprehensive list of all the sites you visited. Now that you're in the History section, our next task is to go to Clear Browsing Data. You'll see this option on the left sidebar of your History page. Click on Clear Browsing Data, and a new window will pop up with a couple of options asking what exactly you'd like to clear. For maintaining seamless performance on sites like Udemy, it's a good idea to clear cookies and cache, as these files often store outdated or conflicting information. In the Clear Browsing Data window, you'll be presented with two main tabs, Basic and Advanced. Under the Basic tab, you have three simple options to choose from: browsing history, cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. Make sure all these boxes are checked, as clearing them helps free up space and refresh the browser's data. Then look for the Time Range drop-down menu. Here you can choose how much of your browsing data you'd like to delete. Selecting all time ensures everything is cleaned out, providing the most thorough refresh possible. Finally, after making your selections, look to the bottom right of this window and click the blue Clear Data button. Chrome will begin the process of deleting your specified browsing data. Depending on how much data there is, this might take a moment, so don't be alarmed if it doesn't finish instantly. And there you have it. We've successfully cleared your browsing data in Google Chrome. This should help fix any issues you might have been experiencing on Udemy or other websites by ensuring your browser retrieves the most up-to-date files the next time you visit. Remember, regular maintenance like this can help keep your browsing experience smooth and enjoyable. Thanks for joining me today, and make sure to check back for more helpful guides like this one.